Hey there, beautiful souls. Today, I want to talk to you about boosting self-esteem with the power of neural networks. Did you know that our brains are like supercomputers constantly processing information and forming neural connections? When we actively work on boosting our self-esteem, we can actually rewire our brains to think more positively about ourselves. Firstly, practice self-love and self-care. Treat yourself with kindness and compassion, just like you would a good friend. Remind yourself of your. Hey there, fellow 3D printing enthusiasts. In today's video, I'll be sharing some easy tips to help you achieve success with your 3D printing projects. First and foremost, it's essential to understand the importance of proper bed leveling. Ensuring that your build plate is perfectly level will prevent issues like warping and failed prints. Take the time to calibrate your printer's bed regularly for optimal results. Now, let's talk about filament storage. Keeping your filament in a dry and dust-free environment is crucial for maintaining print quality. Invest in airtight containers or desiccant packs to prolong the lifespan of your filament and prevent clogs. By following these simple tips, you'll be well on your way to 3D printing success. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged by any initial hiccups. Keep experimenting and refining.
Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about the top 5 reasons why you should master blockchain fast. First of all, blockchain is the future of technology. By mastering blockchain now, you are setting yourself up for success in the rapidly evolving digital world. Secondly, blockchain offers endless opportunities for innovation. From healthcare to finance to supply chain management, blockchain has the potential to revolutionize every industry. So, what are you waiting for? Start learning about blockchain today and stay ahead of the curve. Trust me, you won't regret it. Uplifting ending sentence, remember, the key to success is staying ahead of the game. So why not master blockchain fast and open up a world of possibilities? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Hey there, welcome to our short video on unlocking the secrets of neural networks and how discipline plays a crucial role in their development. Neural networks are a type of artificial intelligence that mimic the way the human brain processes information. Just like how discipline is essential for learning new skills, it is also a key factor in training neural networks. One way discipline plays a role in neural networks is through the process of training. Neural networks require large amounts of data and computational power to learn. This process can be time-consuming and tedious, but with discipline and patience, researchers can fine-tune the networks to perform complex tasks. Another way discipline is important in neural networks is through regular maintenance and optimization. Just like how we need to continuously practice and improve our skills, neural networks need constant monitoring and updates to stay efficient and accurate. So, next time you marvel at the capabilities of artificial intelligence, remember that discipline is the underlying force driving their success. Stay disciplined, and you too can unlock the endless possibilities of neural networks. Uplifting ending sentence, keep pushing your limits and unlocking the potential within you.
Hey there, have you heard of ChatGPT? It's not just another chatbot, it's a powerful tool that can actually transform your habits in surprising ways. One way ChatGPT can transform your habits is by providing personalized reminders and prompts. Whether it's reminding you to take a break, drink water, or even practice mindfulness, ChatGPT can help you stay on track with your goals. Another way ChatGPT can transform your habits is by acting as a virtual journal. You can use it to track your progress, reflect on your thoughts and feelings, and even set daily intentions. It's like having a personal coach right at your fingertips. So, if you're looking to make positive changes in your life, give ChatGPT a try. You might just be surprised at how it can transform your habits for the better. Uplifting ending sentence. Here's to a brighter, happier you thanks to ChatGPT.